Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add delivery instructions in Talabat checkout. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up the Talabat app and then come here and click on the food section. Just browse through the different restaurants and find what you need to go ahead and order. So let's say we want something from Wimpy right here. We'll scroll down, we'll add an item to our cart. Let's do the Grand Feast and we'll choose this option. Okay, we'll add the item. So click here on start, and what I need you to do is come here, click on view cart, and then I need you to just go ahead and scroll down here until you see checkout. I want you to click on checkout, and on this page right here you'll see delivery instructions. So you can add delivery instructions, so just toggle these on. If you want them to call on arrival, toggle this one. If you want them not to ring the bell, toggle that one on as well. And you can also use instructions for this same address next time as well. You just toggle this one, right? And then just come here at the bottom, click on place order. But that is how to add delivery instructions in Talabat checkout.